That's the line. I don't see the line for? That means do not cross. Can you see? Sir, no. Do not cross. Huh? Can you see? No, you cannot. Because I have good eyes. Are you making stories, sir? No, I'm not. Why is your shirt attacked? Huh? So you tap that in. It's already 4 o'clock. Huh? I don't know. You tap that in. Or I tap it for you. You want? So are you gay? No, I'm not. I'm straight. See my hair? Straight? I know you can talk to me very straight to you. Okay? What do you think of me, huh? Cheap? Huh? I'm not cheap. How much? How much? If you don't wanna ask, I'm not going to Alright, you go to jail. You go to jail now. You take for jail. My mom is already calling you 30. Huh? What's your mom? Jane. Huh? What? What is your name? Jane, sir. Jane? Wow. Wow, that's good. No, you have to go to jail for 1 hour. Unless you pay. Then can you talk to your mom? You want me to talk to your mom? What can I say to your mom? I will tell her that you crossed the line. See, do not cross. You did not see with your poor eyesight. Look my eyes, huh? Can you count my eyes, sir? Are you joking? Huh? Your eyes? Are you trying to be funny? No, look like my God eyes. Is already calling you, sir. Huh? No, your mother is not calling you. Don't lie to me. Huh? That's me. Your mother's name is James. You're kidding me? That's James. I'm sir. No, that's my other police officer friend. That's not your mom. No, sir. How much are you willing to pay? You're not allowed to pay 5 pesos or else you go to jail. You're not in jail for 1 hour. Do you accept credit card? Credit card? I cannot sign your signature that I will go to jail. And that's not good. And how we do it, see? We go to jail together. Read. 1849. See, you have 4 eyesight. It says Sergeant 1829, California. Thank you.